Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell Bitcoin and convert it to cash, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the transaction safely. Step 1. Choose a selling method based on your needs. Cryptocurrency exchanges for convenience, peer-to-peer platforms for privacy, or Bitcoin ATMs for immediate cash. Step 2. If using an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, log into your account and navigate to the Buy, Sell, or Trade section. Step 3. Select Sell Bitcoin and enter the amount you want to sell, either in BTC units or your local currency equivalent. Step 4. Review the current exchange rate, any selling fees, and the total amount you'll receive after deductions before confirming the transaction. Step 5. Confirm the sale transaction and wait for the Bitcoin to be converted to your local currency within the exchange platform. Step 6. Link your bank account, if not already connected, by providing your routing number and account number for withdrawal purposes. Step 7. Initiate a withdrawal from the exchange to your linked bank account. Processing typically takes 1-3 business days depending on the institution. Step 8. Monitor your bank account for the deposit and keep transaction records for tax purposes, as cryptocurrency sales are taxable events in most jurisdictions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.